व्यूअर्स एंड लर्नर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। तो हम कर रहे थे पोएम द बेंगल सेलर के सवालात। आज हमने छठा सवाल करना है। एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग लाइन्स। सम आर मीट फॉर ए maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist। आंसर है इसका, poet wants to say in these lines that a Bengal seller has different kind of bangles. Some bangles are for unmarried girls. They are of proper size for maiden's wrist. Some of these bangles are silver and blue in color, just like mountain mist. After question number 6, language work. Read the poem once again and fill in the blanks as in the poem. Bengal seller, sunlit corn. तो इसी के साथ यहाँ Bengals are said to be as rainbow tinted circles of light. Some are like fields of sunlit corn. Some Bengals are purple and gold flecked gray. People buy these bangles from a Bengal seller. Part second, the poet has used several expressions which form pictures in the reader's mind. That is a field of sunlit corn and circles of light. Pick out more such expressions from the poem. Shining lords, mountain mist, brow of woodland stream, blooms that clouds marriage fire. Third part, use the clues to complete the words pyramid. A crowd, mob, hujum. Night insect, moth, kida. February is the name of a month. She loves you the best, mother. The early part of the day, morning, a very high place to climb, mountain.